Here is an example problem for number 9 from your test. It says Barbara ordered breadsticks and ravioli at the Olive Garden. The ravioli cost $19.25 and each breadstick cost 25 cents. If her total is $22, how many breadsticks does Barbara eat? So one thing you need to realize here is what is it that is changing? So what actually has to be multiplied with the variable? So you need to think about what is she having more than one of? She's only ordering one dish of ravioli, but she's having numerous breadsticks. So in this case, and you can start by underlining, highlighting, whatever helps you keep them organized. So I know that the ravioli costs $19.25, and she's only getting one of them. And then we come over here, now each breadstick costs 25 cents, and we're not sure how many she's getting, right? So that question mark, we could also say, oh, hey, that's my variable right there. X, or if you want to use B for breadsticks, that's fine too. And then her total was $22. Now it tells you it's her total, which means that this needs to be on the other side of the equal sign. So you're going to start with the ravioli because that's the one thing that she's paying only one time for. $19.25, one time for one thing of ravioli. Plus, because she's going to add on more money, plus the 25 cents per breadstick. The word per, P-E-R in math, almost always means you're going to be multiplying. So if I have the 25 cents times a certain amount of breadsticks, which in this case we do not know, which is our variable. And that has to be equal to her total of $22. Now from here, it's just a regular equation, two-step equation that we can solve. So I'm going to start by circling my like terms. $19.25 is a like term with the $22 because they're both constants, neither one has a variable. And then the positive 25.25x, that's all by itself. So I'm going to start by getting my like terms together. I have to start here. I cannot start over here because I cannot move the 22 because then everything's blank on the right side. So if I want to move this positive 19.25 to the other side, I need to subtract. And I'm subtracting 19.25 from both sides. Reason being, those cancel, which is what I want. So I'm left with a positive 0.25x equals, and then you can double check in your calculator, but 22 minus the 19.25 is going to give you 275. So circling our like terms again, 0.25x does not have any like terms, and then the 275 also does not have any like terms. So now we know it's time to take it a step further and start dividing because 0.25 is being multiplied with the x. So I need to divide both sides. What number am I dividing by? Well, I'm always dividing by the one that's touching the variable. On my left side, these cancel out to 1, so I'm left with x equals, and then I need to do 2.75 divided by the 0.25, which in this case, we get 11. So how many breadsticks did Barbara eat? 11 breadsticks. Kind of a lot of breadsticks.